Hello everyone, today we are reviewing the David Archy Trunks made from soft and breathable bamboo rayon. This moisture-wicking fabric keeps you much cooler than traditional cotton during the hot summer months. The stretchy waistband stays in place without rolling while you are working out or traveling. The no-fly 3D contour pouch provides extra space and keeps your private area very comfortable. With a short 2.5-inch leg, these trunks are specially designed to never ride up. The seamless back construction ensures a smooth fit and eliminates the need for any awkward adjustments. This 4-pack of tagless trunks is the perfect choice for daily comfort or a thoughtful gift. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.